Wow, we're back, and it's working perfect. Yay! What did I do? Well, let's take a look. First of all, yeah, it does work. Everything's working. So got channel scan right here, and the reason I put it on this button is because this is the auto on and off. So this is cool because it's the auto scan switch, and it already says auto, so that's pretty cool. And on is on and off is off. So when it's up, it's off. When it's on, you'll get your scanning. Let's put it, let's see what we got.
I heard Gatekeeper say he gonna listen to the talk show. I think you say you gonna listen to the talk show too. That's kind of thing show.
Let's move this up over to a less high signal. So it'll always come up in the last mode you had it in, and I think I had it in channel, no, I had it in spectrum scan. So when you press this auto scan, there, goes into spectrum scan. And if you take the channel knob over here, and you see that little bar, you move it down, anything that comes up around that level, there, pops on. And if your squelch is off, you'll be able to scan.
Too, because I did the thing this morning, like, so did. I drove my big truck. My son liked that big super dude.
Man,
drove that truck.
tell me.
Took him to
That's crazy.
and I had to
All right, so
about the same thing your family member.
you want to keep analyzing, you just move it up a little bit and it'll go. That bar sets where you want your signal to break at. So if you want it to stop analyzing and lock onto a signal, then it's got to be something bigger than S9. Let's bring our gain up. And somewhere in here, probably the neighbors are going to have their... there. So, there's something above it. And it's analyzing. Go back up. Once you go past S9, it stays on. Nothing breaks it. So you got to have it down a little bit. And there it breaks it, and you can listen to what's going on. Okay. One push of the channel button goes back to channel scan. Hold it in for a second or so. And see, it says look at all the spectrum, or a group of channels that you have, it'll only look at those. Scan all channels or scan a group, you know how that goes. So let's go to channel scan, and let's see. We're going to set our squelch, which channel scan works with the squelch. Let's move off there so we can set a decent squelch level. And you push it in and it starts scanning the channels. Now anything over what your squelch level is set at will open a, see, I open the squelch and it opens up. So that works pretty good. And then if you set it, a few seconds later it goes. You can either stop it by hitting the channel button or by the PTT. If you leave auto scan in, PTT will stop it, and then it'll just start up scanning after like 30 seconds or so. So that way you can listen in the car and you can have some fun. All right. We've got, let's look at where things were put real quick, because I don't want this video to get too long. So our clarifier works, as you can see, or excuse me, it's Cobra voice lock, and you can see the clarifier works there, no problem. And you can either lock it or unlock it in the menu, so that's something that you may want to do if you're akin to having it track the transmit or have it be separate, you know, however you want to do that. The clarifier, let's take a look at where it goes. Right here, and here's the picture of it. Okay, back to here. Let's take a look. What else? Okay, the mode switches. So upper side, AM, lower side. See, it corresponds to the ones up there as well, but it doesn't stay on it. Put your channel up there. Now you can take that off in the menu and have your name displayed or your call sign or whatever you want. So mode switch, let's take a look at where we put that. And a picture, kind of best you can see up in there is where you can see the wires went to, but schematic is the best. Okay, then we have what else? Voice lock, that channel selectors in. Oh, let's take a look at how we did the injection for clock 0. You see there on the schematic. And over here on this one. So that's how we put that in. And because it's a 7.8 IF, right out of the box, the kit works. You don't have to really adjust anything. So that works really, really good. What else? Oh yeah, Roger Beep. We don't have a microphone gain. And I've had emails before where people say, well, I don't have a microphone gain on here. Where do I put the wire for Roger Beep? So let's take a look at that. It's going to be right there where your microphone from your microphone port go in. So you just tap it there. It's not a problem. And anything else you might want to know about it, don't hesitate to call, ask. Email's the best. If you email me, I'll get something out to you as fast as possible. I'm working with a guy right now who's way too far away to work with, not local. We're getting a first time setup, so that's going to be kind of fun. But hey, we're emailing back and forth. He's got a lot of things working, so that's good. All right, well, this guy does work really well. Let's see, where's the what do they call this now? This is the sandbox, they call it now, I think.
Sideband, you can hear the sub-range transmission.
There's your sideband.
Cutler, Maine. So, yeah, I do a lot of listening.
Sounds really nice. And it works really good. And with this Turner M2, you've got a mic gain on the back, and as long as you keep it low, this thing sounds really good. And like I said, it has fantastic receiver. So, yeah, I think they're going to love this. And for Matt, I hope he's just happy as heck. Yep, the sandbox. All righty. Let's see if anybody's upstairs. There's a bunch of people on 42. And remember, if you want to go to, you just do your channel push. Whoops. Just do your channel push. Go to VFO mode, and you can move, in any increments that you want. So if you, let's say, for instance, you want to go, on channel 19, and you want to go to 195 there. Now you're there. You just go to VFO mode and move over. The clarifier runs about 2.5 kilohertz either way. I just go to VFO mode and go wherever I want to go. And remember, just the channel push will get you to go wherever you need to go. So I don't hear a whole bunch of people up high. Used to be a lot. And there's some people in 71. There you go, some people there. South America stuff. Hey, there's some people on 505. We used to run 555 and 505 back in the day. That was a lot of fun. So there's just a bunch of people all over the place. Anyway, I hope you liked the videos, and I hope you enjoyed seeing how to put this stuff in. If you have any questions, again, just please give me a holler on email, and we'll work with you and get it going. All right, I hope you love the radio, and we'll have some more videos out. Give me suggestions. Please like and subscribe to the video so that we can actually make some better ones and know people are watching. Thanks, everybody.